Right, and more news. A Sydney criminal defence lawyer is in a serious condition in hospital tonight after being shot in the driveway of his Greenacre home. Injured in the leg and the torso, Mahmoud Abbas needed emergency surgery. Witnesses reported hearing 3 shots. Police believe this morning's attack was brazen and targeted.
It's the early stages of the investigation. I don't know if there's any links to any other recent shootings that have taken place, but they will form our lines of inquiry.
And here to tell us more is crime reporter Mark Morri. Mark, there has been a spate of shootings in Sydney recently. Is this one connected?
It doesn't appear to be, but, police will have to start investigating. In the last couple of weeks, we had a couple of bikies shot in a Marrickville barber shop. We had 3 very young people shot just on the weekend who didn't have criminal records, and now we have a defence attorney shot. If there's any connection, it's not staring anyone in the face at the moment, but I'm sure police will be going through phones and ballistics to all the shootings and seeing if there is a connection, but nothing's jumping out at the moment.
You just got to wonder who would shoot a lawyer execution style in their driveway.
Well, this actually, it looks like it might have even just been a warning or a bit of a revenge. I mean, he has some very high-profile clients. He has some very serious underworld clients, which we won't name. These are people that can get very angry over very minimal, minor things. It could be someone objected to a bill, or it could be a relative that they believe wasn't, defended properly. The list of people for a defence attorney of this person's calibre and clientele is endless.
Do you have an update on how Mahmoud is?
Well, from what I can gather, he's okay. He was wheeled away. He was conscious. He was talking. Whether he's been able to talk to detectives at any sort of length at the moment is probably doubtful. He's undergoing surgery, but it looks like he's going to make a reasonable recovery.
You mentioned there could be grudges for any number of reasons, even perhaps petty ones, but the lawyer aspect is interesting. Am I wrong in sort of having the impression that lawyers are not usually dragged into this sort of thing?
Not normally, but it's not unusual. About 2-3 years ago, we had a migration lawyer shot and killed in Bankstown. I remember 20 years ago, there was a contract killing on another lawyer who somebody had been misappropriating all the funds, and to try and cover up, they actually paid to have a lawyer killed. So it is very rare, in recent times, but hitting lawyers is not what you would expect.
Scary times in Sydney, Mark. Thanks so much for your time.
That's okay, thanks.